so we got the diffuser loaded up. We're about to take it to the shop because they gotta cut it out and make it a dual exit. So look, you know, we got the carbon diffuser loaded up. Who says the 328, you know, F30 isn't a cargo car? Shit, I can fit a lot of stuff in here, man. I'm just saying. We put the diffuser in. I'm gonna go outside, let you listen to the stock before we chop it off. You know what I'm saying? So let me just go let you listen to that real quick. Wow, bro, you can't hear shit. Look at this. And then look at this diffuser. You can't hear shit, bro. So yeah, I did that. So you probably saw the clip, boys. It's kind of crazy, not gonna lie, and I like it, and it pops like mad. So now I'm gonna flip us around. I'm gonna show you what they basically did. All right, so here we go. We got 4-inch tips, and then if we look underneath, the piping is all black. So basically, they did a muffler delete with the Y pipe, and then it's all full black system. I think it looks pretty good. Anyways, guys, so thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, sub. Also, if you're interested in finding out more detail about how I did, which shop I went to, and whatever, just let me know in the comments. I can hit you up. Next video, we'll do some like flybys and stuff once it's like fully broken in, but it sounds so good right now already. I can already tell that one's gonna be a good video. All right, guys, catch y'all next time.